Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create ShopBase account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top sidebar we have the home, features, why ShopBase, templates, resources, and the pricing. And also here you can go and enter the email to join them. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a ShopBase account. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So the option one is to go to the top right corner and click on start free trial. So you have a 14 days free trial at the first. Or you can enter the email to of course go and join them. But now let's click on of course start 14-day free trial. When you click on there, you will have, of course, the option to sign up. So start your 14-day free trial on ShopBase. You just need to go and put your email address, put your password, of course. Then, of course, put the name of your shop. For instance, let's call it shop123 for the sake of this video, and click on sign up. So there already is a shop123, so let's name it like this, just for the sake of this video. And of course, as you can see, now you just need to go and put your first name, your last name, and all these stuff, and click next, and you will have your account created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.